Using Python 3 in Virtualenv. Using Virtualenv, I run my projects with the default version of Python 2.7. On one project, I need to use Python 3.4. I used brew install Python 3 to install it on my Mac. Now, how do I create a Virtualenv that uses the new version? E.g. sudo virtualenv python 3. If I try, I get
Simply run. Update after ups edit. There was a bug in the ups version of Virtualenv, as described here. The problem was fixed by running.
Python 3 has a built-in support for virtual environments, venv. It might be better to use that instead. Referring to the docs. Creation of virtual environments is done by executing the pyvenv script, pyvenv break time equals 1s/break. Update for Python 3.6 and newer. As Possible correctly comments, pyvenv is deprecated as of Python 3.6 and the new way is.
I've tried Pyenv and it's very handy for switching Python versions, global, local in folder or in the Virtualenv. Then install Python version you want. And simply create Virtualenv with path to needed interpreter version. That's it, check the version. There are also plugins for Pyenv Virtualenv, but it didn't work for me somehow.
Worked for me.